Our initial goal was to create the best, most practical towel. It was important to us that the production process was environmentally friendly and the product be as soft as it is functional. There's no better feeling than stepping out of the shower clean and restored, but it's ruined when the musty towel we haven't washed for days meets our freshly cleansed skin. When towels are damp, they provide a breeding ground for all sorts of bacteria found in the bathroom. Experts recommend you wash your towel after no more than every 3 uses. In order to keep your skin healthy and glowing, you'd need at least 2 towels per person, and both need to be washed once a week. While plush towels are soft, they take up lots of space, dry slowly, and begin to smell musty quickly. Introducing the self-cleaning, fast-drying, antimicrobial Kanso towel, created with bamboo fiber and polygene silver ion treatment, engineered with both you and the environment in mind. Kanso is a Japanese design principle meaning simplicity or elimination of clutter, and reflects our dedication to providing high-quality, essential, and functional products you'll love. We've used a waffle-woven design that originated nearly 100 years ago in Imabari, Japan. The unique waffle design makes the texture soft, lightweight, highly absorbent, and fast-drying. We have added polygene silver ion treatment to the Kanso towel, the same self-cleaning treatment used by some of the world's most innovative brands like Patagonia, Adidas, and the North Face. The silver acts as a purifying agent, safely eliminating 99% of all bacteria and fungi, which both controls odor and allows you more time between washes. We've revolutionized the design by making the Kanso towel from bamboo fabric instead of cotton. Bamboo, unlike cotton, is naturally antimicrobial, grown without pesticides, requires 1/3 of the water cotton needs, and provides an extra measure of softness. The waffle weave design, paired with the bamboo fabric and silver ion treatment, makes the Kanso towel the most environmentally conscious and sanitary home necessity, bringing you simplicity and balance. Kanso, eliminate the unnecessary and make room for the essential.